What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. I don't like these boys is playing my piano. Yeah, bless me. Okay, I've been waiting on this sneeze all day. Y'all just don't understand. And y'all probably wonder why I'm holding a toothbrush. Because I'm finna stick the little hair I got right here and put on the bandana. And y'all finna go through this with me. And it is the 25th of November. And I had practice today. And and I got home like at 4:30, I think, whatever. And I took a bath, and I got on a new jacket that I got today. And some booty shrimp. And y'all finna sleep with me, so let's get it. I gotta sneeze, y'all. I will get my other toothbrush that I use that my mother don't know nothing about, but I'm gonna use this one. This was my own toothbrush, but every toothbrush I use, she take. I'm not gonna use this today. I was waiting on that one too. I felt it. We got a game tomorrow. After this video, my glasses ain't going on, so I'm just gonna do what I do and whatever. So I want my gold bandana. I mean, do-rag on my purple. I'm gonna get my gold one. Hold on. Okay, yeah, I got it. It's gold. It's like a boy headband. I mean, bandana, but who gives up? Anyway, don't nobody give up. So, what I'm gonna be using is this and water. Wet. But first, I'm gonna do this so my face won't be ashy. And then right here. Oh man, I forgot I had bit that nail off. And this is cocoa butter by the vitamin E. I got this from the school because I went to school and I'm ashy, you know what I'm saying? And I don't like being ashy, so I went to the counselor. I was like, "Do you got some lotion?" I walked out the house without putting lotion on. She was like, look in the cabinet over there with all the supplies. I was like, okay. And then I'm gonna put on some lip gloss. No, I had to turn around real quick. I'm gonna get the Dollar Tree lip gloss. A sleeping lip gloss. Which one should I use? This brown one? Or this one? I like pink, so. This is actually a little glossy, but not the color I actually want. It's my fault. I'm gonna take this real pink one that I got at the mall from somewhere. I'm in the mirror, y'all, so I'm gonna just use y'all. There you go. You get them pink perfect lips. Okay, but I gotta sneeze again. This eye water. It's gonna make me cry if it don't come out. Okay, but take this, and I'm gonna put the toothbrush up in there. I don't have any edges, so don't tell me something I know. Please don't do that. I hate when people do that. They be like, where your edges at? Nigga, I know I ain't got none. Can you tell me something I don't know? Ew. Ew. Okay, anyway. I don't like that light right there. I mean, it's gonna continue to be right there, but I'm gonna just do these. Never mind. I can't deal with this. Y'all gonna have to come up here with me. Oh shoot. I'm struggling. Like, y'all won't sit up for no reason. Like y'all can't sit up. Y'all make me mad. Look, I'm not gonna struggle with y'all. There you go. I'm in the mirror, so. I'm through with this side because there's barely anything on this side anyway. I'm funny. Cute when I want to be. Oh, pretty sure I know what that is. That's the only time my phone go off. Ew. I don't like that. I'm gonna just use my finger. And go boom. I whooped them things, baby. Cute, period. No discussion, you heard me? But it's ridiculous. This stuff a hole, but my hair gonna end up messing up. Then take some water. Spray it. Take the do-rag. Do-rag real quick. I like y'all being right there, but I don't. But my lips popping, my little hair on fleek a little bit. It's either on fleek or on leak. I'm not putting my glasses back on. tight, like them boys be doing. You know what I'm saying? Swoopy, swoop, swoop. That's gonna irritate the heck out of me. This I'm cute like this. By the way, I sleep with my makeup bag beside me, with a water beside me, with my glasses by my clothes. It's the 25th of November. Now my eyelashes, you can see them. 25th of November. Tomorrow's the 26th. Yeah. But I'm cute when I want to be. Y'all screenshot this. Okay, y'all, I'm done. But yeah, that's the video for tonight. Well, today, y'all probably gonna get this tomorrow. But like, comment down below, and subscribe, and tell your grandma, your cousin, your sister, your ghost friend to subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys on the next video. Smooches and peace.